Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix firewall blocking internet on Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, power on your system unit and wait until your Windows 11 computer completely loads up. Make sure everything is fully booted before moving forward with the troubleshooting process. Once your PC is ready, you'll want to access your firewall settings to resolve the issue. Navigate to your Start menu by clicking on the Windows icon located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. After clicking it, the Start menu will open up, revealing a search bar at the top. In this search bar, type in Firewall and then hit Enter on your keyboard. This will bring up the Windows Defender Firewall Settings menu, which is where you'll be making the necessary changes to fix your internet connection. Now, once the Windows Defender Firewall window appears, direct your attention to the left-hand menu. You'll see several options listed there. Look for and click on Restore Defaults. This option is crucial because it resets your firewall settings back to their original state and removes any configurations that might be blocking your internet connection on your Windows 11 device. Restoring the defaults essentially clears out any restrictive rules or settings that could be preventing your network traffic from flowing properly. After clicking Restore Defaults, a new window will appear with a Restore Defaults button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it to proceed with the reset. This action will revert all firewall settings to their factory state, which often resolves connectivity issues caused by overly strict or misconfigured firewall rules. You may need to wait a moment while Windows applies these changes. And that's it, you've successfully reset your Windows Defender firewall settings, which should resolve the issue of your firewall blocking internet access on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.